Now we're going to go through the answers for this science topical worksheet, lower block diversity, under the topic materials. Okay, so let's go through the MCQ questions. Question number 1. Now look at the picture carefully. So you have two kids. One of the kids dropped the mug, and the question says, if the mug does not break, the possible materials which the mug can be made of, they are. So the key idea is the material here is something that does not break easily. So the answer we will have 4. Okay, now why is that so? Now you can actually see that glass is something that will break easily. So I will have to reject this. Steel, yes. Ceramics, no. Plastic, yes. So answer will be 4. Okay, question number 2. 4 thin sheets of materials W, X, Y, and Z of similar sizes and masses were weighed individually before they were put into 4 beakers containing equal amounts of water. After 15 minutes, each sheet was weighed again. Their masses were recorded in the table below. Now, you observe that this for X, material X, at the beginning, the mass is 8 gram. After 15 minutes, the mass is still 8 gram. So we can safely say that there's no water being absorbed by this material. We can say that it's actually a waterproof type of material. All right. And looking at Y over here, let me highlight. Now Y actually started as 8 gram and it increased to 18 gram. Compared to W and Z, material Y actually absorbed the most water. So I can say that it absorbs the most amount of water. Okay, this is for Y. Okay, so which material is most suitable for making a tent? Now tent, the material should be waterproof, and for tower, it should absorb the most amount of water. So our answer here will be 4. Okay, question number 3. Robin wants to select a material to make a hammock. So hammock is actually this. Now, which of the following physical properties of the material must he consider? Now, we can imagine that we ourselves are sitting on the hammock. So, do we need a hammock to be transparent? Well, we do not need to be transparent. Well, must it be strong? Well, yes, so that it will not, so that it can support our weight without breaking. Well, should it be flexible? Yes, just like our shirt, we want it to be flexible so that when we put them on, it can be more comfortable. Well, should it be waterproof? Well, not necessary. So answer will be number 3, B and C. Okay, next question. Now, number 4. David carried out an experiment using 4 different materials of equal lengths, and he placed one corner of each material into an empty dish and poured some colored water into the dish. The diagram below shows what he observed at the end. Now, if you observe this D, there's no water being absorbed by the material D. All right, so we can look at material D. Aluminum foil, they are waterproof, so the answer should be either 1 or 2. Okay, now tissue paper is not waterproof. All right, you will absorb water, so this is out. Cardboard as well, they can absorb water. Now looking at this B actually absorb, we can say it's the most absorbent. All right, B absorbs the most amount of water. Okay, so if you compare cloth, tissue paper, cardboard. Well, tissue paper will absorb the most water among these three material. All right, but looking at A and C, I think we will have to, okay, let me classify. So this is the most absorbent, followed by this, then A, and then last will be D. All right, D is the least absorbent. So our answer will be 2. All right, because cloth will actually absorb more water than cardboard. Okay, last MCQ. Now study the classification table below. Now, which of the following groups best represent A, B, and C? Our answer will be 2. Now, why? You can see that over here, this is waterproof, and the material, plastic, will actually be waterproof. All right. Now, if you compare, well, where's our A? Now, this is A. Okay. Now, A breaks easily, so glass actually will break easily as compared to cotton head. So this must be A. All right, glass must be A, and C will be cotton head. So answer is 2. All right, that's all for this MCQ section.